What I'm about to tell you, you're going to need to remember it. Like, it's actually very important for this channel because I want to make a video being very clear, kind of just talking about my future plans for this YouTube channel. And I've said a lot of stuff before. If you go back, I've said a lot of stuff on this YouTube channel, making goals, making promises. And this is just another one to add because I want to look back and said, like, I said it. I said it months ago, years ago, and I stuck with it. And I have fucking proof. You see, what people don't understand, they don't get the idea. I'm just building, like, I don't seek to grow my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel now is growing and it's understandable. But I get a bunch of messages and DMs and that people want to work on my YouTube channel for YouTube thumbnails or editing, and which is fine. It's obviously like they're trying to, make their money, right? And I completely understand, but it's like they don't see the vision. They don't see my vision, and obviously they don't. So that's why I want to explain here. Right now, I don't, like, YouTube is not my main priority. My main priority is just making money online, learning and developing the skills for online businesses. And my YouTube right now is just something I have to document that journey, to have as a foundation for proof. And right now I make videos on e-commerce and drop shipping because that's what I do. That's literally what I'm doing, and that's what I'm learning. And anything that I'm learning, I just share and teach because I love teaching and giving value. That's what I do. But I want to say that this is not something I'll keep doing for a long time. I don't want to be known as an e-commerce YouTube or dropshipping YouTuber. I want to eventually move on to bigger and better things than dropshipping. I don't see dropshipping as something that I'm going to be doing when I'm like mid-20s or 30s. I just show it because that's what I do right now. But eventually, when I learn the business skills enough to achieve the freedom, enough to travel and live the desired lifestyle that a lot of young men want. So not only are these videos living proof and documentation of the whole journey and how it's possible, but I also want to eventually make videos for me, about me, not about dropshipping. Now, yes, I may still have a community where I teach what I learn, which is dropshipping or any other aspect about business in the future. I don't know, but my YouTube channel is going to be consisted of just my lifestyle and me and my life advice. And I'm very excited for that because at the end of the day, that's what I started from YouTube. I just gave life advice. And yes, it may seem broad, but I love it. For some reason, there's just something about it, kind of like the philosophy, that just intrigues me and it makes me feel good. But I stopped doing that because I felt like people didn't listen. And it's normal. Who was I? I'm a nobody. I don't have the desired life. But once I get to show that desired life, you see, I don't even do it to flex. I do it just because I want the eyeballs to show to finally then have people to listen and then teach something and show something valuable. I know there's no value in that lifestyle. I've been giving life advice for years. It's just, I know how the world works. And that's, unfortunately, that's how it is. So I'm just excited to to get my freedom, to upgrade my life and get that desired life that you and many other young men desire. And to not only show you that it's possible and spark up a lot of motivation, but to finally just feel like myself. And to finally just build a personal brand around myself, Julian. Like that's ultimately, that's what I care about the most. And I know this wasn't a dropshipping e-commerce video, and I'll make more, the next ones will be about dropshipping. But again, I just want to make this video and post it. So just so I can have it as proof, like I said is, I had the vision, I had the plan, and I went through it. I fucking did what I said I would have done, because that's who I am. So this is just a video to just look back at when I'm successful in the future. I go back on these videos years before in the past, and I just admire that the vision was made from a young age. So after that story, after my words, I want to say it would mean a lot if you would like, subscribe, to support, and follow along the journey. Because trust me, I do know I always treat people well, but I'll always treat people that believed in me, followed me from the beginning, the OGs. I'll always treat them even better, because they deserve it. It's rare to find people who see the potential that you see in yourself. It's rare to find people to have that long-term vision and not be so short-minded. And just because the other person doesn't have results, it doesn't mean that they're not going to have it in the future. And it takes a very strong character to believe in someone else that they're gonna do great things. It's hard to see it in someone else, let alone see it in yourself. But those OGs, those people that believe in me, I'll always remember and always treat you well. So that's why I ask you to like, subscribe, comment, follow the journey, because I bet your ass it's inevitable that I get to the success that I want. So follow along for the journey, and that's when I'll see you at the top.